to today's vlog. We are going to the dog bowl, puppy bowl, basically the Super Bowl of animals. And it is taken in Frankenmuth, which is a little German town, and they've been doing this since 2008.
Yeah, no, the German town's fine, but
we are at the dog bowl, and I've already seen like 20 dogs, so I'm very happy. Are you very happy? Okay. Apparently she's mute now. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, babe, that is a wiener dog. Are you excited?
I am. Just watch where you're walking.
Grandma.
Karen, you lose your shirt.
Do you want me to hold it? What'd you just say?
I want to play on it.
Honestly, this is like my Coachella. We can't leave. Ooh, we're getting into the stuff. So as you can see, there's a ton of vendors here. Oh. I agree. And there's just like pooches everywhere, guys. Yes. I wonder how.
Fried Oreos.
Oh yeah. I wonder how. Okay. I wonder how long it'll take for Grandma to be like, Tim, there's an adoption area. Let's go look. I want you to. Okay, we just stopped at this booth, and I'm gonna tag her Etsy below. Her and I think it's her daughter make custom pet portraits and everything. So make sure you buy one. When I start to feel super like anxious and uncomfortable, we hold Papa's finger. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at him just making his paws all nice and cool. He looks like Moose. He's just got to cool down his paws. Oh, it's beautiful. What kind of dog is this?
English setter.
We found a used bookstore, so we're taking a minute because it's super crowded and super hot, and although my anxiety is doing fine right now, I don't want to push it past its boundaries. So we're gonna take a minute, we're gonna breathe, we're gonna decompress. My glasses are holding my bangs out of my face. It's just, we're good. There is well over like 1,000 people here. There's like 1,000 people here. Oh, there's a Dalmatian coming. Ooh. We just got to pet this Saint Bernard. Is 215 pounds. His name is Samson, and he eats 120 pounds worth of food every week. So if you have any questions about Samson, ask me. But I think we're getting ready to leave. Yeah, that's what June wants. That. Yeah, June wants golden retriever. Babe, I'm in your heaven.
It says it on the top.
Now we're at Starlight.
It's 0-0 right now, but I'm looking to
They're
see.
talking about
Well,
the
it'll
hockey
say once I put the
games.
score back up what the series is.
They're on game 3.
It's tied 1-1.
1-1. The New York Rangers are playing right now. That is the team we support.
1 game to 1 game. I didn't know it was a TV.
This year, but I really hope they don't.
So, I could fall asleep right now. I'm just like so comfortable now.
You need pepper?
Content.
Lots. Oh my god.
Yep. I'll show you our food.
Pepper always came out so
I'm so sorry, guys. I am so tired now.
didn't work. Not coming. It's not.
Okay. When she has pots.